Today with the 2014 911. 911, safety and dynamics, coupled with inner strength, a legend, and up to 3,200 RPM, the engine operates with dual injection. At up to 2,500 RPM, it even works with triple injection and is priced below $90,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, rain sensing wipers, rear fog light, speed control, rear window defroster. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Owning a Porsche should be a very special experience. That's why when you buy a Porsche approved vehicle, we do everything we can to ensure it's as good as it looks. You can expect driving pleasure, quality, safety, and stability of value. See your dealer for details.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.